you. It's a bad bitch.
I know.
Hey, Delilah, want to see how crazy my hair is today? Hey, you want to see how crazy my hair is today?
Yeah, it's like. Oh, the yellow. Mom.
Wait a minute, I don't know why the hell are you going over there? Do not pull that.
Don't pull that.
This is a burn you to death, Arnold. This is a shock you to death. That's what she gets when she's starting our boys club. Right? Go gang. Dare me to pull this? I'm gonna record me. Pull this shit. There's a beehive up there.
Oh my, there's a beehive.
Come here. Baby, come here.
Little man, there's a beehive. There's a beehive. Little man, there's a beehive.
Don't go near that beehive, stupid.
There's a beehive up there.
No bees in there.
I know, but there's a beehive still. See it, little bear?
Where's the beehive? Right there.
There.
Oh, I can't see it.
Over here. It's there.
Is it little?
You see it?
Whoa. Oh yeah.
Run. Run. Hey, there's a beehive over there.
Yeah, there's a little tiny beehive.
Come here, follow me.
A little tiny one. Look at this flower. There's a beehive.
There. Let's zoom in on my camera.
One.
I don't see anything.
Come Alana. Right there.
Come in front of Arnold.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Where? Right there?
Cool.
How is that cool?
Poke it.
No.
Delilah, come here.
Delilah! There's a beehive.
No one touch it. Seriously, you guys can die.
We're not touching it.
No, look.
Closer.
Right there. Don't touch it. Yeah, I remember when we first moved in, there was bees. You on Facebook too. Yeah, you're crazy.
Yo. That's actually scary.
Let me record it.
Who recorded it?
Guys, look what we found. We just found a beehive. Yeah, I'm on the YouTube channel. I can see it. Beehive. Let me see. It's up there. It's right there. The beehive. I'm scared. Mommy, come and look. There's a beehive. There's no beehive there.
Don't go by there.
Okay, mine is Drew Ice. No capitals.
I know it's Drew Ice, but there's no numbers.
No. There's no bees no more.
What would that face about?
Look at it. Maricela,
You're making fun of me, huh?
have you seen the beehive?
You're mean.
Over there, yeah.
I was making fun of the beehive.
What do you do? What do you do?
Making fun of the beehive.
What is
What do
going
you
on?
do? What face did you make?
Baby, there's a beehive.
Hello? No, I'm telling Angelica. Angelica, there's a beehive. Angelica, did you see the beehive yet?
No.
Like, you know, by the little wire by grandma's room, like kind of like by the roof, top of the, by the top of the roof. Like the bottom of it, there's like a beehive. Look, guys, we're back. Guys, no, the bees are gonna come out.
I'm going to them up.
No.
The bees are dead.
How do you know? Little bit. Was there bees when you guys first moved in?
I don't know. Because I just ran inside the house. I'm allergic to bees.
Guys, do not. Hey, little bird can poke it with that stick he has right there.
Ooh, yeah.
But don't poke it. The bees are gonna come out and kill you. They can kill you.
I'm allergic to bees.
You too.
Me too.
Well, I'm not allergic to anything. I forgot.
I know I'm not. I'm not even sick. I'm allergic to all of them.
Guys,
What? I'm never going on that again. Did you just touch the beehive? No.
let me try.
That's close.
Give me it.
Oh, that's scary.
I'm recording. Little bird's gonna be my cameraman.
I know.
You're the cameraman. Right?
Are you guys stop just trying to make the bees come out? Did you get it? I didn't even see what happened.
Point it upstairs. Can you see it on the camera?
Yeah.
Sure.
Wait there. Oh, you was so close.
I almost got it.
You almost.
Jakey, fucking.
You almost.
It's right
did
there.
it. Hey, what about the one?
No, it's not gonna work.
Okay. Only if you have a story you can probably teach you.
I know.
Ooh, I'm gonna get the broom. I'm gonna get the broom.
I dare you. I dare you, Arnold.
You get it.
No, you. I dare you.
We did it. We can walk.
You actually hit it?
Too.
I dare. Guys, truth or dare? Is it true that you shit your pants? Truth or dare?
Dare. I dare you to get
No.
the broom and put it up there.
No, you said dare. Okay, so I dare you to get the broom and hit the beehive. If you say dare, that doesn't mean you have to dare me something. I have to dare you something, idiot.
Look at it.
I dare you to get the broom and hit it. Get that one over there.
What?
The one you had.
Fine.
Yo, little bird's actually doing it. Oh, guys, stop. Pretend we're making a part 2 after this.
No, this is a part 2.
No. Stop. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. Little bird, don't poke it yet. Stop.
Don't poke it. No.
Or just poke it.
No, you guys stop that. That's like, you guys said you wouldn't do that.
I know, I'm not doing it.
No, you told him.
No, I didn't. Listen.
Yes, he told me to get that.
Never don't do that. If you do that, you're gonna die.
There's no bees in there.
We'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. How did you die like
Guys,
that?
if you enjoyed this
How
video,
did you die
please
like
like,
that?
comment, subscribe.
How did you die like that? Stay away from beehives!
Guys, do not try this at home. Guys, little bear, come here. Little bear, come here. Guys.
Beehives are terrible.
Guys, do not try this at home.
Beehives are the worstest.
Do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. Okay, guys? I repeat, do not try this at home.
Don't do this at home.
Bye.